How to fix digital anxiety with NordPass. Call it what it is: digital anxiety. The negative feelings about the use of social media, the failure to cut back on it, the fear of missing out, fake news, and cybersecurity concerns. We've all experienced it. We've all been there. But there's a way to break free. The first step is recognizing the sources of digital anxiety, FOMO. FOMO, or the fear of missing out, refers to feeling regret over missing social situations, which can lead to believing that others' lives are better and more interesting than yours. The goldfish effect. The goldfish effect describes the phenomenon of our attention spans getting shorter due to the information overload we experience daily. Fake news. The modern-day news cycle is never-ending. Every day we are overloaded with news stories, and it's becoming increasingly harder to tell what's real and what's not. Cybersecurity threats. In a world riddled with cybersecurity threats, enjoying the internet can be difficult. Staying secure, therefore, can become an anxiety-inducing experience. Learn more about mental health and technology by NordPass, https://nordpass.com/digital-stress-management.